Hello, beautiful souls. Welcome to my channel, Mystical Ani. So, today we are going to do a monthly reading for Libra for the month of January 2026. This is a general reading, guys. Please take what resonates with you and leave the rest. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. My email ID is given in the description of this video and also on my channel's info. Okay, so let's see. In this reading, we will see the overall energy for Libras for January. Key obstacles or challenges, actions or advice, your strength and opportunities, and the probable outcome. At the end, we will also take a guiding message from the Oracle deck. So please do stay till the end. All right, so let's see. Let's start. What do the cards have for Libra? Okay. All right. What's the overall energy we have for Libra in January? Please tell me what's the overall energy we have for Libra in January. What's the overall energy we have for Libra in January? What's the overall energy we have for Libra in January? Whoa. Okay. Please clarify Four of Cups as the overall energy for Libra. Okay. Let's see what are the challenges or obstacles we have for Libra in January. Key challenges or obstacles for Libra. Key challenges or obstacles for Libra. All right. Okay, let's see what are the strength and opportunity. What's the action or advice we have for Libra? Strength and opportunity. Sorry, actions or advice. Actions or advice for Libra. Please clarify Three of Cups. The cards are just popping off. Please clarify Three of Cups as the action or advice for Libra in January. Please clarify Three of Cups. Please clarify Three of Cups. Okay, now let's see what are the strength and opportunities we have for Libra. Strength and opportunities for Libra. Okay, please clarify Ten of Wands. Strength and opportunities for Libra. Okay. And man, not in reverse. Let's see what's the probable outcome. Please clarify Knight of Swords. Please clarify Knight of Swords as the probable outcome. Please clarify Knight of Swords as the probable outcome. Okay. All right. Okay. So overall energy for you, Libra, I see is you need to, firstly you need to change your perspective. Okay, अगर आप इस चीज पे फोकस कर रहे हो कि what is gone, मेरे पास क्या नहीं है, this person has that, I don't have that, or maybe a past person, a past connection. So आपको you need to change your perspective. अगर आप lack में और उस चीज में फोकस करोगे जो चली गई है, if you keep crying over the spilt milk, you are not going to grab the new opportunity being offered to you by the universe. Okay, it can be आपने कहीं पे इंटरव्यू दिया, you got the offer, but for some or the other reason you couldn't join. So you are focusing on what is gone. Okay, the gone is gone. Now change your perspective and start working towards your goal again. Okay, change your perspective and take action what is required. At the same time, I also see that you might be having some kind of creative ideas and thoughts, Libra, but keep in mind that not everybody is your friend. So keep your important things to yourself. Don't share it with everyone blindly. Don't trust everyone blindly, because there are chances that some people may take the credit of the work you have done, or the credit of the efforts you have put in on maybe a project or anything, right? It can also be someone who is trying to create a misunderstanding in your relation, and because of that you might miss that old connection with your partner. So keep your personal things also to yourself. Your relation, don't share it with everyone, try to keep it to yourself. Okay, don't uh, you know not everybody coming with a smile to you are having good intention towards you. Okay, so just keep that simple thing in your mind, and try to change your perspective and work towards things what is important for you, okay, to focus on. It can be a relation, it can be a job, it can be a project, yeah, anything, right? It can be focusing on your health. You might be thinking, earlier I used to be so fit and now I'm not getting enough time to work out. So don't cry over it, okay? Start taking action, start taking action and working towards your goal. Okay, that is what I'm getting here for you. The obstacles for you, Libra, I see is in the month of Jan. Okay, so for some of you, you might feel, it can be for very few, that you might be feeling that missing, missing your family, or not able to be with your family for quite some time, and you are missing that bond, that family thing, right? That family love or gathering. Okay, उस तरह की energy है. For some of you it can also be that there is a family gathering and you are not able to be a part of it for some or the other reason, and you are somewhere missing that. Okay, for some of you I see that you know you are somewhere hesitating to get into marriage kind of commitment. Okay, you are pulling yourself back, that no, I am not ready for this, it is a big responsibility, and I don't think I'm ready for this. And that, even if you want to, but it's like having cold feet, so you're pulling yourself away. Maybe for some of you, because of your if you had any past issues, and because of that you're not able to move on from that experience what you had, so you are kind of being hesitant towards this marriage kind of thing is also what I'm getting here for you, Virgos. Sorry, Libra. Sorry. So that is also I'm getting here for you. There is a cycle which needs to complete. Now it can be, as I said, you are almost ready but not completely ready to get into that marriage thing. So that phase is not coming to a completion. That connection is, or that whatever that phase is in your workplace, in your relation, in your health, so वो complete कोई चीज है जो complete नहीं हो पा रही है. And because of that there can be some kind of energy of how much I will have to try, how long I will have to keep going, how much efforts I will have to put in, so that it gets over. I feel relieved from all this, उस तरह की energy है. थोड़ा सा कि कब होगा ये, when will I be able to finally complete this phase, or come out of this phase, come out of this toxic thing, come out of this things which are not good for me. It's like breaking something so that something can complete and you can set yourself free from it. So उस तरह की energy है कि आप वो वाला फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग वाली थोड़ी सी एनर्जी दिख रही है कि ये कब होगा, सो दैट आई कैन मूव ऑन और मूव टूवर्ड्स अ न्यू फेज इन माई लाइफ, और मूव टूवर्ड्स ग्रोथ इन माई करियर. ओके, एनीथिंग इट कैन बी. ऑलराइट. Okay, for some of you it can be waiting for a promotion, waiting for the acknowledgement, and it is getting delayed, and you are like, how long will I have to wait, why is it getting delayed, उस तरह का थोड़ा सा कुछ कंप्लीट नहीं हो रहा है. आप सोच रहे थे ये अब कंप्लीट हो जाएगा, बट वो हुआ नहीं है, उसकी वजह से आपको थोड़ा सा फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग फील हो सकता है. वेटिंग वाली एनर्जी थोड़ी सी हो सकती है जो डिफिकल्ट हो to deal with. Now the action or advice here for you, Libra I see, sorry, Libra I see is, there is you need to meet people. अगर आप अपने आप को isolate करके रखा है, आपने आप किसी से मिल नहीं रहे हो, so there is some kind of if there is some kind of gathering happening and आपको उसमें invite किया जा रहा है, so please be a part of that gathering. Please do celebrate, please meet your friends, your family, and your colleagues, and celebrate, even if it's a small achievement. Celebrate it. It will make you feel good. Okay, so you have to come out of that victim mindset and change your perspective. Okay, अगर आपको लग रहा है कि nothing is in my hand, until and unless this happens I can't take the next step, or until and unless this happens मैं ये नहीं, I can't change my job, or anything. It can be, I can't come out of a toxic connection, my hands are tied, everything, I have done everything from my end, I can't do anything beyond this. No, you need to come out of this victim mindset and set yourself free. Okay, so that is what you have to do. You need to meet people. अगर कोई कहीं कहीं से आपको किसी तरह का invite मिल रहा है, कोई celebration हो रहा है, so try to be a part of that. It will make you feel good. सेलिब्रेट करिए, अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ बाहर जाइए. If you have a girl gang, so step out, plan something with your girl gang, at least a day out with them and celebrate. Okay, for some of you it can also be a time to make new friends. Okay, so if you have been isolating yourself, you don't go out of your home and you don't meet people, you don't talk to anyone, so it can be a message that now it's time for you to make friends. You need to step out. Okay, meet people and have some fun in your life. Basically, don't take life too seriously is also what I'm getting here for you, Libra. All right, so just try to enjoy your success, celebrate for your success. Take a day out with yourself, do things what makes you feel good. Okay, us tarah ki energy hai. So you need to be happy, you need to be in that phase of celebration, joy, happiness. Okay, uh, having in that energy of love and joy. Okay, wo bhi hai. So that is what you need to do. That is what the action and advice is from me. Action is to set yourself free, come out of the victim mindset, and advice is to celebrate. Okay, that is what I'm having here for you, Libra. Now coming to the strength and opportunities for you, I see that you are having, you are very good in balancing things. Okay, but at the same time, अगर आप दूसरों का responsibility भी अपने plate में ले लोगे, तो it will be too much to deal with, and ultimately it will end up making you feel tired and drained, right? और आप दूसरों का काम भी अपने ऊपर ले लोगे, it will add on to your task, and उसके बाद आपको stress होगा कि मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है, मुझे ये भी करना है, इसकी भी deadline है, अभी इसको भी complete करना है, इसको भी करना है, इसका भी ध्यान रखना है, उसका भी ध्यान रखना है. उससे आपको stress होगा, or ultimately you will end up in headache kind of thing is also I'm getting here for you. So try to prioritize things. Okay, not everything is important at the same time, so you need to prioritize things. First, whatever is the most utmost priority, keep that in mind. Okay, दूसरों का responsibilities अपने ऊपर मत लो. Try to create a balance on how much you can take and how much you can't take. So keep that in mind and accordingly move one by one. Okay, complete one thing at a time and then move towards the next thing. Okay, that is also I'm getting, because if you will take so much of stress, so much of burden on yourself, there are chances that you might have some kind of back pain is also I'm getting here for you. And because of that stress and overload, you may also have some kind of headache, is what I'm getting here for you, Libra, during the month. Okay, so keep that in mind, not to overload yourself, not to overburden yourself, and try to prioritize things and take care of one thing at a time, and take how much is required. Okay, don't take extra baggage and make your journey heavy. Okay, that is also what I'm getting here for you. Now the overall energy is you will overcome all the challenges. Okay, you are in that energy of I want this and I'm going to achieve it. You are fearless, you are having that fiery energy, and you are very clear in your communication, or you need to be very clear in your communication. It can be setting boundaries, clearly communicating what is that you are looking for, or what is bothering you, or what is that you need, you think is required to be communicated. So there is a need to proper communicate. You need to take step, take action, as I said. Don't be in that energy of focusing on what is gone, rather start taking action for what you want, and I see that you will overcome the challenges you will face. Okay, so जो भी challenges आएगा आप उसको बहुत आराम से face कर लोगे. आप you will be able to क्या बोलते हैं, कैसे बोलते हैं उसको, कि आपका सारा काम हो गया and there was nothing to be worried about, and you dealt with every situation with so much of wisdom, so much of maturity, using your experience. Okay, I don't know उसको हिंदी में how do I put it. So yeah, that is what. So जो भी challenge आएगा ना, आप उसको बहुत easily overcome कर लोगे. That is also I'm getting here for you. Okay, Libra. So this is what I have for you. So just try to change your perspective, start focusing on what you are already blessed with, and don't focus on what is gone. Don't trust anyone blindly, and keep celebrating. Come out of the victim mindset and take action for your goal. Okay, don't overburden yourself, don't take stress, and just you will be able to overcome all the challenges coming your way. Okay, Libra. Now we'll see what's the guiding message we have for you for January 2026. Guiding message for Libra, please. Okay. Shifter. See, transform and unveil your gift. Okay, so you need to change your perspective and see things. You need to understand what you're capable of, what is that you need to put your energy into, and what is that you need to ignore. So just, come out of that victim mindset. Okay, everything is in your hand. You need to, जब आप victim mindset से बाहर आओगे ना, so you will know your hidden potential. Okay, to say this easy, no, things are not in my hand, I can't do anything about it. No, once you know that it is, you need to figure out a way to come out of a situation. Okay, so you need to understand your hidden potential, your hidden power, and come out of this issue or the situation or the problem which is making you feel stuck. Okay, so that is the energy I have for you, Libra. Please claim the positive. These are the messages I have for you, Libra. Please claim the positive energy from the reading, and if you have liked it, please do like this video, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, I request you to please subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.